You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2017 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power steering, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, chrome wheels, brake assist, engine block heater. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.